Want to brighten your home with natural daylight while saving on electricity? The Solatube Skylight kits are high-performance tubular daylighting systems that capture sunlight from your roof and channel it indoors through reflective tubing, providing consistent, energy-efficient lighting throughout the day. With advanced dome technology and optional solar-powered night lighting, these skylights are perfect for dim rooms, hallways, bathrooms, and even closets. Featured products: Solatube Skylight Kit with integrated solar night light, 10-inch tubular skylight, brings in daylight while providing soft solar-powered night illumination. Solatube Skylight Kit with dome collector, ceiling fixture and 3.5 feet reflective tubing. Maximizes daylight capture with highly reflective tubing for brighter indoor spaces. Solatube Daylight Dimmer solar-powered with remote control. Lets you adjust the amount of natural light entering your space with a convenient remote. Solatube Dome Upgrade Kit enhances older Solatube models with Raybender 3000 technology for improved light capture and distribution. The Solatube Skylight kits are easy to install, but some users may need additional tubing for larger spaces or professional installation for optimal placement. However, for anyone looking to reduce their electricity usage and enhance indoor lighting with natural daylight, these are fantastic long-term investments. Would you install a Solatube Skylight in your home? Check out my Amazon affiliate links below, no extra cost to you, and it helps support my channel for more reviews. Like and subscribe for more home improvement reviews. And just remember, be nice and be kind to one another.